is the porch trim. 3 vertical trims to be put on before the porch panels. There's the one narrow one on the corner, 1x2. See, it overhangs there the floor, and then the other corner board butts up against it. And this the second one, slightly wider, 1x2.25. It needs to be put on. And then the third one goes on the right side, the wider one. And same with this, it overhangs the bottom. And then there's a trim that goes on the outside. So these 3 vertical trims go on, and then there's the horizontal notch trims that go on after. This is for the horizontal trims on the porch. This is a notched trim underneath the top plate, and this narrow trim here. So 2 trims on the left, and there's one on the right. So on the 6x9 Gardener's Delight, the porch rafter is not in line with the gable, just to let you know, you're not confused during the assembly. It's a floating rafter.